The course Design and Analysis of Algorithm. It's a very important core subject in computer science. When we develop a software, we must define the problem solution in terms of algorithm. So algorithm analysis and data structures, development of algorithm, the method we applied to solve the problem. These are the important key areas in software engineering. And design and analysis of algorithm. First, what is design of algorithm? There is a problem. We are giving solutions in the form of algorithm. And therefore, one problem, there are n number of solutions. So we have to choose the best algorithm for solving the problem. So how to choose the best one? So based on the factor, based on the efficiency of algorithm, how we can measure the efficiency of algorithm, that can be measured in terms of time and space. What is time? That is called as time complexity. How much time algorithm takes to produce the result is called time complexity. Running time or execution time or time complexity should be minimum. And what is space complexity? How much memory it occupies in a computer to produce the result is called space complexity. Based on time complexity and space complexity, we are analyzing the efficiency of algorithm. For one problem, there are n number of algorithms. So we have to choose the best algorithm based on time complexity and space complexity. Normally, we are giving importance to time complexity, then space complexity. And what is design and analysis of algorithm? The problem is given. We have to provide the solutions in terms of algorithm. There are number of designing methods available for writing algorithm to give solution to the problem. For example, divide and conquer method, greedy approach, dynamic approach, backtracking, branch and bound method, approximation algorithm. So there are so many methods available to write an algorithm. So which method is suitable for particular problem, that we have to design and we have to implement it. That is called design and analysis of algorithm. We are developing algorithm for solving some problems, and we are analyzing the efficiency of algorithm. We can develop more than one solution for given single problem. So we have to analyze multiple solutions and find which is the best solution among n number of solutions. This is called design and analysis of algorithms, and this is very important subject in computer science. And data structures plays important role in writing algorithm. What type of data structures we are going to use to implement algorithm or to develop algorithm? And data structures is combined with algorithm that gives a program or pseudocode. Here algorithm is language independent. We are not following the syntax of any programming language that is written in natural language. And pseudocode can use some programming constructs. For example, if statement, for loop, while loop, that should not follow the syntax of any programming language. Just we are writing in general syntax, and that is called pseudocode. And the algorithm and pseudocode can be implemented in any programming language, that is called coding or software. In software engineering, software development or algorithm development, algorithm designing and algorithm analysis plays important role in subjects. When we do analysis, we are taking two parameters and finding the best one for implementation. And here, if you are first, when we solve the problem, when we are searching for solution to the given problem, first step we have to understand the problem correctly. Without understanding the problem, we cannot give solution to the problem. So first step is understanding the problem and analyzes the problem and writing the algorithm by applying some methods. And this algorithm should be tested to check the correctness. If algorithm is wrong, that algorithm or pseudocode will not give the correct solution or software to the given problem. And it must be tested, and we have to check the correctness of algorithm. If algorithm is correct, then only it can produce the correct software or the program. And after testing the algorithm, that can be converted or implemented in particular programming language. So before solving any problem, procedures or set of instructions are developed in a natural language that is called algorithm. So algorithm plays important role in software engineering development, and algorithm has set of properties finiteness. It must be developed for solving some particular problem, and it should be completed in a finite amount of time. It should not take more time. As a user, we can't wait for long time for the output from the software, so it should be terminated in a finite amount of time, and it should produce at least one output, and it can get zero or one or more out input. So without input also it can produce a result, and the important thing is it should produce at least one output, and the algorithm should be correct, and each algorithm has definite purpose. It must have some specific purpose. It should satisfy or it should solve the particular problem, or should give solution to the particular problem. So in this course, we will see how to write a algorithm, what are the methods available for solving problem, then how we can analyze the efficiency of algorithm, and what are the asymptotic notations. So how we can represent efficiency in terms of mathematical notations. So how best algorithm works, how worst algorithm works, how it is average, not best, not worst, is average. So all type of efficiency parameters can be analyzed, and that can be represented as a mathematical notations, that is called asymptotic notations. Then we will see how what are the asymptotic notations available, then how to represent it, and divide and conquer method applied to solve the problem. It can be used to write an algorithm for a specific approach, and backtracking, dynamic programming, greedy approach. So we will see different techniques for solving the problem with examples.